About the practical range, let's keep in mind here, this first one, example here, 1A, does not have a real life situation. Here, B, there is. And so let's read the definition. The practical range of a function, it is the collection of all values of the output variable that correspond to the practical domain, once it's identified, I should say, in the context of a real life situation. So in this guy, this practical range would correspond to this, and there is no real life situation, so we'll say there's none here. But here there is. Once you identify your practical domain, you can determine what your practical range is. So it's all the possible values here for P, which is the total pay, where you get $100 per day. So all the values that would make sense or that correspond to what your D values are. And our D values are here, 0 through 7. And so our practical range would be the corresponding values of these. And so P represents what you get paid per day. And so if you work 0 days, you're going to get $0. If you work 1 day, you're going to get $100, and so on. So I can actually list these out. But what is not practical for P is $1,000. Again, there's only 7 days in a week. We've already identified that. So these guys, this collection corresponds to this collection. Hopefully that makes sense.